Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in a video transition on CapCut PC. So let's just grab these two videos for instance. You'll need more than like one clip. So for instance, if you have like one clip, you can't add in video you can't add any video transitions. So make sure you have two. You can like either separate this like clip, so there's like two parts, or you can add in another clip if you'd like. So I'm just going to go to transitions and I'm going to simply add in the video transition I want in between the two videos like so. And that's pretty much it. Again, you'll need more than one clip, and then here if you don't have more than one, just separate them like this and add in like a video transition like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!